head down the road to the river race. Right there, good. Gonna end up in the water, that's for sure.
Good luck, man.
Yeah, you too.
You look awesome.
Thanks. Sorry. Ah, that's it. Yep, that's all right. I'm stuck. She doesn't slide across the logs the way you guys do. Oh boy. Oh, what have I gotten myself into? Oh boy. Oh! Yeah, I'm good. Stay to the far right. I wrecked up on the rock. We swamped her. Goodbye for now to the Reed boat. Let's see if we can't come back and get her out of there.